Tonight we are having chicken and broccoli casserole. It is easy and will feed a crowd, and I'll show you how to make this from start to finish. I'm Tess, and welcome to my kitchen. You can use egg noodles or any pasta that you like for this casserole. Tonight I'm using no-yolk egg noodles and undercooking them by a minute since these will continue cooking in the oven. In my skillet on medium-high, I'm adding a little oil, some diced onions, and leeks. I usually add celery or carrots, but I happen to have leeks. It's nice to change it up every now and then. A little salt and black pepper, a good stir, and cooking for a minute. Next are some mushrooms and minced garlic. Another good stir and cooking for another minute. You can find this recipe in the list of ingredients in the description box below. No extra clicks, it's all right here. I have a little over a pound of bite-sized chicken thighs, and you can use chicken breasts. Cooking for about 5 minutes or until they are no longer pink. The chicken does not have to be cooked all the way through, since it will finish cooking in the oven. Turning off the heat and moving on to the next step. I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees. In a large bowl, I'm adding a can of cream of chicken and cream of mushroom soup. For some extra creaminess, in goes a cup of sour cream. Adding some milk and giving it a good stir. Next are the spices. I have some black pepper, poultry seasoning, celery seed, oregano, and a little cayenne pepper for a little kick. I'm not adding any salt as the soup and cheese has a good bit of sodium. You can adjust the seasonings to your liking. In goes a handful of fresh chopped parsley, and you can use dried. Another good stir to get everything well incorporated. Let's put everything together and get this casserole in the oven. I'm adding in my chicken and veggies with all the juices. You can use all broccoli, but I'm using half cauliflower and half broccoli tonight. It's all about what you have on hand, and it's all good. I'm adding about a half a cup of grated cheese, and tonight I'm using a mixture of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. In goes my noodles and giving it a gentle but thorough mix. If you like this chicken and broccoli casserole recipe, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button for my future recipe videos. You can also find me and more of what I'm cooking on Facebook and Tess Cooks For You blog. I'm putting everything in my grease baking dish and leveling out, covering and baking at 400 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. One more step and we are ready to eat. Removing from the oven and oh my, that smells so good. Grating some Parmesan cheese on top, followed by the remainder of my mozzarella and cheddar cheese. The casserole is going back in the oven uncovered for about 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Letting the casserole rest for 15 minutes and then we will fix a plate. This chicken and broccoli casserole is easy and delicious. It will certainly feed a family of 4 and you'll probably have leftovers for lunch. A great budget meal. The chicken thighs have wonderful flavor along with the broccoli and other veggies. The broccoli still has a little crunch and not mushy. The cream soups and the cheese bring it all together. Add in the spices you like and make it your own. Give this easy and delicious chicken and broccoli casserole a try. Until next time, enjoy. And thanks so much for joining me here in my kitchen. You can subscribe here for my future video recipes. And remember to come visit me on Facebook. You never know what I might be cooking. Until next time, much love.